Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to allow everyone to add you to groups and channels on Telegram Web, all using the latest update for PC. If you've ever wondered why people can't add you to groups, or you just want to make it easier for anyone to connect with you, this quick guide will help you fix that in seconds. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this through your browser, just log in the same way you usually do. Once you're on your main chat screen, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Click on it to open the main menu options. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all options related to who can contact you, add you to chats, or see your details. Now, locate the section that says Who can add me and click on it. This setting controls who has permission to invite you to groups and channels. By default, it might be set to something like My Contacts, meaning only people you've added can include you in a group. To allow everyone, including people who aren't in your contact list, select Everybody. Once you've chosen that option, Telegram will automatically save the change. There's no need to click any extra buttons, that's it. You've just updated your privacy settings to let anyone add you to groups and channels on Telegram Web.